Hi everybody, welcome back to Get Lit English. I'm Shell, and today we're going to be talking about digraphs. That's right, these simple sounds in the English language will help you learn to be a pronunciation pro. So let's get started. Some of the basic sounds that you should master are digraph sounds. Let's start with the first ones. Ooh. UI makes the sound ooh, as in fruit. Ooh, fruit. ER makes the sound as in butterfly. WR makes the sound r, as in right, right. It's a silent W, so you hear the R sound. Right, right. Perfect. PH makes the sound f, just like the letter F. You should hear some or feel some breath. Kind of tickles a bit too. Dolphin, dolphin. Telephone. PH makes the sound just like the letter F. The letter O and the letter A together make the long O sound. O, as in boat. B-O-T, boat. SH together makes the sound shh. That's right, just like you're asking somebody to be quiet. Shh. Say it with me. Shh. Sh. Fish. Perfect. TH together makes the soft TH sound, the unvoiced sound. Can you try it? You're going to push that air out from your mouth. Just like with the F, you should feel some breath. Try it with me. Bath. Good. Keep practicing. That one can be a tricky one. OR. When these two letters come together, it makes the sound or. Or. Can you try it? Or. Good. Now let's say the word together. Horse. Or. Or. Horse. Perfect. Well done. OR. A. When you see the letter A next to the letter I, it's going to give the long A sound. Pretty much the rule goes, when two vowels are together, side by side, the first vowel does the talking, and the second one, zip, stays silent. So all you hear is the long A sound. A says its name, the letter A. So let's say it together. AI makes the sound A. R, ain. R, ain. Rain. Say it with me. Rain. Good. AY makes the same exact sound because here Y is acting as a vowel, but it's a silent vowel. A, as in ray. R, a, ray. Say it with me. R, a, ray. Ray. Perfect. Now, this can be a tricky one for some students. So the O and the I come together, and you're going to hear a bit of the long O sound, but it kind of takes a little bit of a twist, and it makes kind of a strange sound, doesn't it? See if you can follow me. Oi, oi, oi. Good. Let's try it again. Oi. K, oi, n. K, oi, n. Coin. Perfect. Okay. Now, just like OI, OY is going to make the same identical sound. Oi, as in boy. Ba, oi, boy. Ba, oi, boy. T, oi, toy. All right, keep practicing. Double O. Double O is a fun one. You have two O's together, and it's going to make the sound ooh. 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 Moose. Ooh. Moose. And the same sound is actually produced as the double O when you have the letters E and W together. It makes the same sound. Ooh. 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 Oot. Newt. Oot. Newt. Can you try? Oot. Newt. Perfect. Now we look at the sound O, the long O. This is produced with an O and an E together. These two vowels come together, and the O is taking the prominent stance, and you're hearing the long O sound, as in toe. T-O, toe. T-O, toe. Perfect. You try. T-O, toe. Excellent. G-U. When G-U comes together, it's going to, you're going to hear just really the G sound. G. 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 S. Guess. G. S. Guess. Can you try? G. S. Guess. Perfect. Now we have double E. This makes the long E sound. E says its name here, as in B. B, E, B. B, E, B. Can you try? B, E, B. B, E, B. Perfect. And moving on, when we have the letter C and the letter K side by side as a pair, like you do here, it's going to make K. You hear the K sound. This is the K, 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 the hard C sound. K, K. Okay, let's say the word together. Blocks. Blocks. Now, because we have an S at the end, our K and the S gets blended together till you have a X, kind of like an X sound, okay? So let's try this. Together we have the BL, which is a blended sound. Bl, bl, blended consonant sound. Bl, bl, ah, k, s. Blocks. Blocks. Can you try? Bl, ah, k, block. Now let's try the E-A sound. E and A makes the long sound E. E. S. E. C. S. E. H. Or S. Seahorse. Can you try? S. E. H. Or S. seahorse. Good job. Now let's take a look at the UR sound. When you have the letter U coupled with the letter R, it's going to produce the same sound that ER would produce. It's going to say Can you try? Turtle. 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 Good job. Now let's take a look at the letters A, W. When these two letters come together, they make the sound aw. 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 Saw. Try with me. Aw. Saw. Saw. I saw him today. Saw. I used the saw to cut things. Saw. It's spelled exactly the same, isn't it? But it means something totally different. The next sound is the AR sound. When the A and the R come together, it makes the sound R. R, as in car. K, R, car. Try with me. K, R, car. Car. Good job. Now for WH. WH makes one sound together. Can you do it with me? Whale. 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 Try with me. Whale. 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 Perfect. Okay, the next one is a little bit tricky. The N and the G together. Ng. 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 Sing. 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 Ing. Sing. You try. Ng. Ng. Sing. Sing. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the letter G together with the letter H. This is going to produce a hard G, consonant G, G. Your H, silent. Try with me. G-ost, ghost. G-ost, ghost. E and D make ed, ed. But we can have a few different sounds with the ed ending depending on the letter that ed follows. But if you're looking at a very simple CVC, 3 consonant, vowel, consonant word, it's going to have the ed ending. B-ed, bed, b-ed, bed. Perfect. I and E makes the sound I. Long I comes first. The E is silent, and all you hear is the long I sound, as in pie. P-I, pie. Easy peasy, right? I and E and U make the sound Y. Europe. It's a little bit tricky, a little bit different. So when you see these two letters coupled together like that, remember you're going to have a Y sound, like a Y sound. Europe. Europe. All right, good job. Keep practicing that one. O makes the sound E. Long E sound. The O is silent here, as in people. Let's say it together. P-E, pole. People. P-E, people. Very good. When you see the G and the I together, like you do here, it's taking the soft G sound, which is J, just like a letter J. J. religion, religion, religion. Can you say it with me? Religion, jun, jun. Good. S and C. Okay, when you see these two letters together, it's creating a S, the S sound, right? You're going to say it like this. Science, science. Can you say it with me? Science. Perfect. Letter combination C and E like this with the EAN followed. We're having a shun sound. Ocean, ocean, ocean. Can you say it with me? Ocean, ocean, ocean. Perfect. The letter combination C and E like this with the EAN followed. We're DI together with the ER. We're getting a jur sound. We have a j, another J sound. So in this word, it would be soldier, soldier. When we have CI together, followed by the AN, it's another shun sound. Magician, magician. Can you say it with me? Magician, magician. O and U together makes the ow sound. Can you try it with me? Ow. Ow. House. And N. When K and N comes together, don't forget that your K is silent. You will not hear a K sound in this combination. You will only hear the N, which is the letter N sound. N. Let's say it together. N, I, F, knife. N, I, F, knife. Well done. Well, everybody, I think you have just mastered digraph sounds. So keep practicing, because practice makes perfect, and I will see you next time here at Get Lit English. I'm Shell. Have a wonderful, beautiful, blessed day. Take care. Hit the like button if you like this, and subscribe to me if you want to see more videos. All right, take care, everybody. See you next time. Bye.